In a tranquil forest, where the sunlight filtered gently through the canopy, lived two tiny birds, Lilo, a sprightly bluebird, and Mickey, a shy sparrow. Lilo loved to sing. Her melodies danced through the treetops, enchanting every creature, but she always noticed one pair of eyes watching her from afar, Mickey's. He perched quietly, too timid to join her but captivated by her voice. Lilo tilted her head. "You don't have to sing to make music. You hear the rhythm of the wind, the rustle of leaves. That's music too." Encouraged by her warmth, Mickey started to share the wonders he noticed, the soft hum of the brook, the chirps of hidden crickets, and the whispering trees. Lilo, enchanted by his perspective, wove his sounds into her songs. One day, while singing near a bubbling brook, Lilo paused. "Why don't you sing with me, Mickey?" she called, startled. He flapped clumsily down from his branch. I don't sing. But I listen. And I think your voice is the most beautiful sound in the forest."